Hey ninjas! Today we are going to see how to merge object in perfect way. The basic method everyone knows that select all object and press Ctrl plus J to merge all object to one. But this method does not the thing we want. For that, let's try another method. Make sure your Bool tool add-on is on. Then select all object and press Ctrl plus Shift plus B. Then select Union option. Now all object are merged but topology is not that great. Let's fix that. Add remesh modifier and copy my settings here. Octree depth should be around 8 or 9, then apply it. Next add smooth corrective modifier. Tick only smooth option, then factor to 1. Now adjust repeat parameters according to your object. Value between 15 to 30 works better for me. And apply shade smooth and boom. Here you have your objects merged perfectly. Thanks for watching guys. Keep improving.